How to propagate Monstera in water. Have you ever wanted to grow a brand new Monstera from a single cutting? Water propagation is one of the easiest and most popular ways to multiply your Monstera. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and lets you watch new roots grow right before your eyes. But successful propagation isn't just about placing a cutting in a jar of water. Choosing the right cutting, identifying the node, and providing the proper care all play an important role. In this video, you'll learn how to propagate Monstera in water step by step, avoid common mistakes, and give your cutting the best chance to become a healthy new plant. Number 1. Why choose water propagation? Water propagation is popular for several reasons. It allows you to watch roots develop over time, easily monitor the health of the cutting, spot problems early, propagate Monstera with minimal supplies. For beginners, it's often the easiest method to learn. 2. Choose a healthy cutting. Successful propagation starts with the right cutting. Look for a stem that has at least one healthy node, one healthy leaf, a firm green stem. If possible, choose a cutting with an aerial root, as it may root more quickly. Avoid cuttings with yellow leaves, damaged stems, or signs of disease. 3. Understand the importance of the node. The node is the most important part of the cutting. It is the point on the stem where new roots and future growth develop. A Monstera leaf without a node cannot grow into a new plant. Before making a cutting, always locate the node carefully. 4. Take the cutting. Using clean, sharp pruning shears or a knife, cut about ½ inch to 1 inch, 1 to 2.5 centimeters below the node. Make one clean cut. Avoid crushing or damaging the stem. Clean tools help reduce the risk of disease and give your cutting a healthier start. Number 5. Choose the right container. Use a clean glass or jar that allows you to see the roots. Fill it with clean water. Place only the node and any aerial root under the water. Keep the leaf above the water to prevent it from rotting. 6. Find the best location. Place your cutting in bright, indirect light, a warm room, an area away from harsh afternoon sun. Too much direct sunlight can stress the cutting, while too little light can slow root growth. A stable environment encourages healthy development. Number 7. Change the water regularly. Fresh water is important. Replace the water every few days or whenever it becomes cloudy. Clean water helps provide oxygen, reduce bacteria, keep the roots healthy. Always refill the container with fresh, at room temperature water. Number 8. Be patient. While roots develop, propagation takes time. Some Monstera cuttings begin forming roots within a few weeks, while others may take longer. During this period, keep the water clean. Avoid moving the cutting too often. Continue providing bright, indirect light. Healthy roots usually appear white or light-colored and gradually become longer over time. 9. When is it ready for soil? Once the cutting has developed several healthy roots, it is usually ready to move into soil. The roots should be well-established, long enough to support the cutting, healthy and firm. Moving the cutting too early may slow its progress. Waiting until the roots are stronger usually leads to a smoother transition. Number 10. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are some common propagation mistakes. Taking a cutting without a node. Submerging the leaf in water. Forgetting to change the water. Placing the cutting in direct sunlight. Moving the cutting before the roots are ready. Avoiding these mistakes can greatly improve your success. Final thoughts. Water propagation is one of the easiest ways to grow a new Monstera plant. Choose a healthy cutting with a node, keep the water clean, provide bright indirect light, and be patient while roots develop. With proper care, a simple cutting can grow into a beautiful, thriving Monstera that you'll enjoy for years to come. Thank you for watching Plants Every Day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple indoor plant care tips. Be sure to explore our Monstera Propagation Guide playlist for more easy guides on growing healthy indoor plants. See you in the next video. Happy growing!